What's up, y'all? We're gonna be riding around in a truck out here in South Central Kentucky, on Scottsville Road here in Warren County, believe it or not. Toyota here on the right hand side of the road. I'm towards the other lane because I'm gonna make my way to the ATM. Got a little hum to it, 75, 74, something like that. There's a cyber truck on the right side there. Yeah. Believe it or not, there's probably 5 or 6 of them, I would think. I think about 5 or 6 of them here in Warren County. There's more of them the farther you go out or you're closer to Nashville, obviously. But Warren County, there's probably only about 5 that I can remember seeing. Got Rafferty's here on the left as we pull in. I got all the different little stuff over there. Mr. B's is over on the right. We're going to visit the ATM right here. See what this Kia does. Let me go. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna pull up here, make this real quick. We're done with it. Money's money. You ain't making it, just spending it. I don't know if y'all can hear it in the background or not, but fire truck or ambulance is going on. Yep. Now going on. Dogs are barking. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna sign off. Riding around in the truck. See y'all later.